I've heard of Howard Marks, but I don't really know who he is or what he's done.
Well, Howard Marks is a legendary investor and writer who has spent decades in the investment industry. He is known for his thoughtful approach to investing, and his insights have been widely respected and followed by many investors around the world. One of the key takeaways from Howard Marks' investment philosophy is the importance of risk management. He stresses the need to be aware of the potential downside risks of each investment and to have a plan in place to manage those risks. Howard Marks also emphasizes the importance of patience and discipline in investing. He advises against trying to time the market or make impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations in stock prices. Another unique aspect of Howard Marks' approach to investing is his focus on understanding the psychology of markets and investors. He recognizes that emotions can drive investment decisions, and he encourages investors to be aware of their own biases and emotions when making investment choices. By being mindful of these factors, investors can make more rational and informed decisions. Finally, Howard Marks is known for his ability to communicate complex investment concepts in a clear and concise manner. He has written several books on investing, including The Most Important Thing, Uncommon Sense for the Thoughtful Investor, which is widely regarded as a must-read for investors. His ability to explain difficult concepts in a way that is accessible to a broad audience has made him a popular figure in the investment world. So, there you have it, some key lessons from the investment philosophy of Howard Marks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's a lot you can learn from his approach to investing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable investing content.